Lebo Mutiba indirectly says no to Kaizer Chiefs. Guys, let's hear what he said from Gold.com. For now, everything is still between me and my agent. He told Safa Media, but I'll always have offers in Europe. I'll always have clubs in Europe. For now, my focus is on my knee injury, healing, and coming back fully fit. So, guys, what you can take from this is that he'll prefer Europe, and even if he does choose South African clubs, it will be Sundowns, it will be Pirates, it will be Chiefs competing for him. And which club do you think he'll sign for first? It will obviously be Sundowns and Pirates since they are in better form. Those two teams. And if it comes to the Chiefs, it means we have to pay big money, big wages. And you know what happens when players come to Kaizer Chiefs for big money and big wages? They become fat, and you know that they don't have the best interests of Kaizer Chiefs at heart. So it will be just another flop, I think, in my opinion. And for me, he's not PSL proven, Lebo Mutiba. He's not PSL proven. I know he's played for Bafana Bafana, but it doesn't mean he'll be instantly good at PSL. And for me, you already have that type of striker for me, Chivaviro. It's the same type of striker, like same profile, same playing style. So I don't think we need to be buying Lebo Mutiba for big money uh, when we already have a striker because we've got bigger preferences. A left back, we need a left back. We need a CDM to challenge Mtetwa. We need a goalkeeper. We need more wingers to then before we buy a striker. I don't think a striker is a preference at this moment in time. Tell me guys what you think about this comment